Hello, my name is Nikolai. I'm one of the developers of water treatment technology through freezing. Due to the natural method of water purification, freezing out, we get the melt water. The essence of the defrost water is that it contains not only a balanced chemical composition of trace element necessary for human body, but minimum quantity of heavy water, hydrogen, isotopes, deuterium and tritium. Our group has studied different ways of water treatment. As a result, we have figured out how to beat off heavy isotopes of hydrogen and produce pure ice. To accomplish the task, we took the simplest components of a domestic refrigerator. We have been gathered of the refrigerator plant and the installation of the water. We used a home compressor, thermal relays, and professional equipment for adjustments and settings. We have tried to simplify and reduce the price mechanism. Conventional tubes reduce Freon conventional valve. Main features of the system are specially developed ice machines. The main purpose of our system is hidden in simple devices. In the first ice maker, which is supplied with water, made of heavy isotopes, filtering process, deuterium and tritium, after which the system resets the remaining water in the second ice maker. Second ice maker comes another major procedure: freezing, water purification and production of melt water. Hydrogen bonds in the ice maker should be formed in a natural way, eliminating the ingress of unwanted trace elements. This is also achieved by creating electromagnetic fields defined in the process of ice freezing. Currently, our plant is semi-automatic. It is collected the most of available items exclusively on the enthusiasm. Installation was developed as an experimental and allowed to give up 5 liters of water per day. Our aim was to work out the theoretical knowledge and developments in practice, as well as to obtain samples of the actual melt water for analysis. Today, any water for the research, including the Dnieper River, were not subjected to the primary filtering. Pushing it one cycle through ice maker, we have received usable water. We drank it. From the yellow-green waters of the Dnieper, we received quite clean water suitable for consumption. This suggests that the freezing technology works and can be used in water purification. Subsequently, we made tests of the produced water, which are attached here and are also available on our website. Water quality is surprising, pH 7.2, corresponding cells of a healthy human body. In connection with these experiments we carry out on their own, using our own funds, it is important to get a quality result for us. What we've done, checking this technology in practice and getting the melt water. The real kind of water. Realizing the value of melt water on human health and thinking to realize that the person could use it regularly. Use it for cooking food or other cosmetic purposes. We have 2 types of systems, home and industrial type. Home time, this is an option that can afford to set everyone in house or cottage. Industrial plant produces large amounts of water and is located in the designated areas. Nowadays, none of the world's industrial giants water production have such equipment and produce melt water really. The technology for water purification by freezing doesn't exist and such equipment is not produced on the industrial scale. Today we would like to establish a plan for the production of water and the rate at least 1 cube per day. That we would be able to solve those 2 problems, we would be able to produce water in small industrial scale equipment and to demonstrate a major strategic investor. Thus, to show the large-scale production of melt water today is a reality, but apart from our industrial plan design and purpose from our point of view, today more than realized, namely assembly and sale of home freezers. They are intended for use in the home, where it will be made 15 to 20 liters of melt water per day. With the help, people will be able to use in every household melt water. The peculiarity of the melt waters is such that all information which is of melt water positive, that is, all argue and say all the melt water is the most useful for the human body, but unfortunately today no one produces it. This can only be done at home and on their own, but it takes a long time and still doesn't lead to good results. These are still no full automated systems today. Therefore, we have to date it is planned to create a working industrial of domestic installations. It is necessary to carry out the assembly of such plant, its commissioning and certification. This will allow us formally declare itself to demonstrate the performance of this technology and of course to get everything needed for mass adaptation and use of melt water. For our project, we need funding. Realizing the complexity of the search for the real strategic investor, we're happy to help anyone who is willing to help us step by step to collect the necessary sum for the project. Our team is grateful to all who are sincerely ready to help us. We are ready to cooperate, ready for new dialogue, friendly relationship, and understanding. Call us, write us. We are ready and open to you.